Hey, how you doing?
Okay, I can smell it from all the way over here. Can't wait.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's gross.
Ah.
Uh-huh. Boy, do you smell right.
Ah.
What are you doing?
Okay, today you're the old witch and Nanny's the young fairy.
I'm the old witch and Nanny's the young fairy. Okay.
Yes, yes.
What is Papa?
He's a wizard.
What is Brian?
He can be a wizard too.
He can be a wizard too.
Yes.
What is Sarah?
She has to be a young warlock.
Okay. A warlock is a boy.
Okay, she has to be a witch.
Okay, she can be a young witch.
Yes.
Okay, I want to be the young hot hoochie witch.
No, you're the witch of the west and Sarah's the witch of the east.
Oh, you're so mean.
I know.
Okay. All right. I guess I'll take what I can get.
I
What
know.
about Buddy and Daisy? What are they? What's Daisy?
Well, Daisy is, I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know? The dogs have to have some role in it.
Okay, I guess, Daisy can be the cowardly lion
And Buddy can be the scarecrow?
and yes, Buddy can be the scarecrow.
Okay. And that makes sense because Daisy is very timid. She is afraid of her own shadow. She's afraid of everything. So she can be the cowardly lion.
Oh.
Yes, that's a good goal for her.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And who's going to be Dorothy and Toto?
I don't know. Maybe Aunt Nezzie and her dog.
Aunt Nezzie and her dog. Aunt Nezzie should be the witch of the West.
I know.
You got it all mixed up.
I know.
I could be Dorothy and ride the bike with Daisy and Buddy.
I know.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I love you.
I love you.
You be good today.
Okay.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. You know what? The appliance guy had to come today
Why?
to fix the dryer again.
Uh-oh, the dryer broke down?
Yep.
Oh, no. That's a catastrophe.
Yep, I know.
Yes, it is. All right, well, I'll let you go. I love you. Be good.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye.